What if you were offered monkey's brains as dessert, or steamed tuna eyeballs on a platter staring right at you? Or how would you like a glass of snake wine? Welcome to the top 5 trending. Believe it or not, there are some pretty weird food traditions around the world that would make even the strongest of the stomachs churn with nausea. Today, we bring to you top 5 of such food items along with some honorary picks, so stay tuned with us till the end. Now get ready for some shocking discoveries and let's get visual feasting on these unusual delicacies. Coming in at number 5 is century eggs. Eggs are a common fare across the world, but if you discovered a rotten egg, would you eat it? Well, a resident of the Hunan province in China supposedly discovered duck eggs left in slag lime and decided to try them. He lived to tell the tale and now it's an established delicacy. The eggs are also known as 100-year eggs, pidan, or even black eggs. These are covered in clay, ash and salt for months and are ready when the white turns dark brown and translucent and the yolk turns dark green. You can try this strange delicacy either on its own or as a side dish, but it's neither a century old nor a millennium old. But it sure as hell is pretty rotten. At number 4, we have white ants egg soup. It's very common to see the white ant eggs in Thailand, Cambodia and Vietnam. And one of the world's most famous and unusual soups is the white ant egg soup. This soup contains a mixture of eggs, partial embryos, and baby ants to add sourness. People who have tasted it said that the eggs pop in their mouths, releasing a sour flavor. That is, of course, if your stomach can handle it. So take a break from your standard chicken or tomato soup and consider having a bowl of this white ants egg soup when visiting Southeast Asia. Coming in at number 3 is haggis. It's a Scottish delicacy made from entrails, organs, and almost anything that comes out of a sheep. It is then minced with oats, onions, salt and other spices. And if these ingredients weren't overwhelming enough, it is then packed in sheep's stomach and boiled to perfection. Now haggis sold in supermarkets is already pre-cooked and there is also a vegan version of it. The crumbly texture of the dish is supposed to be very interesting. Haggis is usually served with mashed potato or turnip and it can be used as stuffing or fried for your next breakfast. Coming up next is tuna eyeballs. If you were offered some eyeballs to eat, what would your reaction be? Well, you can experience this delicacy in most Japanese restaurants. It's a waste not, want not policy when it comes to tuna in Japan. So, even the eyeballs are plucked out and served up cheaply in supermarkets. To cook this delicacy, simply boil or steam and season with garlic or soy sauce. Perhaps unsurprisingly, it tastes a lot like squid or mussels. It is now rightful to say that when it comes to seafood, the Japanese sure as hell don't leave anything to your imagination. The more raw, the more weird and the better. Before we reveal our number 1 pick, we have some honorary mentions as the list for weird food just keeps getting better. If you're in the Philippines, make sure to check out balut. This duck egg, with its partly developed embryo inside, is boiled alive and then eaten from the shell with chili, salt and vinegar. You're supposed to tap a hole in the top of the shell, sip the savory liquid and then crunch down the rest of whatever's inside. Yes, feathers, bones and everything. Have you ever looked at tarantulas and thought about lunch? Well, it's perhaps no surprise that these spiders were first eaten by Cambodians because of their history. They became popular and are now served as a deep-fried snack throughout the country. Jellied moose nose is adventurous Canadians experimenting with nasal gastronomy. It is prepared by boiling them up with onions, spices, removing the hair, boiling again, and then slicing and covering with a broth that sets into a jelly. Well, it most certainly looks as bad as it sounds. Taking the number 1 spot on our list is shiokra. This oriental delicacy is animal viscera served on a platter. Shiokra is a mix of different marine animal meat combined with its viscera, which is everything inside the abdomen of the fish. Everything is grounded into a paste and mixed with malt rice and seasoned with a heavy helping of salt. Looking like white blobs of goo or miniature brains, they are said to have a custardy texture. The flavor of the dish has also been compared by some to preserved anchovies, as they also have a similar salty fish taste. To make shiokra look attractive, it is packed into small gold boxes. It tastes best with a shot of your favorite whiskey. So, which of these dishes have fascinated you the most? Tell us in the comments below. If you liked our video, make sure to like and subscribe to never miss your top 5 trending list again.